Good morning. According to the norms of the CBSE, for the standard 10 student as syllabus concerned to the term 1, chapter 2, part history as about the social science. It is clear that the second chapter of the history indicate about the matter concerned to the print culture and the modern world. This chapter indicate about the matter related to the print or the painting, related evolution from the world. Accordingly, print became emerged from the world as about the China, Korea and Japan from 594 BC, about 6th century. From China, where the rubbing paper and the different type of the other implements will be used for the production of the printing, as about the introduction of the print culture over the world, that scriptures form of the picture through the pictograph. But those can't be popular because the something about the fragile, expensive and the slow stage of the development of print culture. So that Roman and Arabic alphabet will be developed on to the form of the leaves, parchment, vellums, papyrus, and with the stone, wood and the bones for the writing. So, ancient time when the print culture will be emerged from the China, Japan and Korea during 6th century BC. Significance of the print culture, according to the student, it is quite clear that print or the painting, as about the carving as well as the parchment, vellum, ballads and different type of the other scribe instrument which used to the manuscripts. Manuscripts became slow process of the printing, introduction and the development from the China, Japan and the Korea. As about the development take place from the China in 11th century with the help of the rubbing paper. We are already know about the rubbing paper will be used from China as about the papyrus with the help of the stone, wood and the bones. Invention of the papyrus from Egypt during 3000 BC led to the China's expansion of the manuscript in 105 BC. So manuscript from China, Japan and North Korea around 6th century BC will be developed through the rubbing paper, leaves and the wooden block through the carving stones. Rubbing paper from China as about the Chinese accordion book. It was the first book which introduced from the China. Then after something about the descriptions also given a chapter as a calligraphy from 11th to 17th century over the world, especially in China, Japan and Korea. Accordingly, the 11th to 17th century as about the textbook and the competitive book for the civil service examination by the imperial state of China in 16th century will be developed from Shanghai, especially for the competitive examination like the civil services and the textbook related to the requirement. In the Japan when 770 CE by the Buddhist missionaries who introduced about the hand-printed book called the Diamond Sutra. Diamond Sutra was one of the first book from the Japan which introduced by the Buddhist missionaries by the manuscripts. As about the manuscripts will be developed from the Japan through the Buddhist missionaries. Accordingly, paper money, playing card, wood block printing and woodcut illustration will be developed from the Japan close to the Edo, old name as modern name Tokyo, as a capital of Japan. Though the Sega book as about the 1608. From the 11th century, Chinese popular paper reaches to the Europe by the Silk Route. So Marco Polo as explorer from Italy in 1295 who transformed the sailing work and after that reaches to the Italy as Europe and develop and introduce the woodblock printing through woodblock printing over the Europe. Now let us come to the introduction of the European manuscripts. Will we come out with the help of the booksellers as well as the scribers and scripts. One booksellers who employ about the 50 scribers and something about the scribers who carry on the work as about the woodblock printing from Italy as well as the Europe. But some about the problem concerned to the manuscript from the Europe as well as the world like time consuming work, expensive, fragile and difficult to handle. Knowing about the something about the incorrection of the handmade manuscripts will be also visualized. Those led to the problems towards the manuscripts which improved over the Europe as well as the world. Mainz from the Germany, John Gutenberg solved the problem related to the manuscripts in 1430 or the 15th century by the printing press. Though the woodblock printing press will be developed with the olive oil and the different type of the other materials related to the experiment take place from the Mainz, Germany by John Gutenberg in 15th century. According to that, first printing press will be published one of the book for the Christian missionaries called Bible and 180th copy from the 3 years will be developed from Europe. Now the different type of the other texts and the entertainment books from the Europe who led to the different type of the Reformation. Something about the Reformation likely to the religious problems, as about the Orthodox thinkers from Europe and the others problem through the rituals and the customs, traditions and other superstition related problem concerned to the Europe will be solved by the scholars through the manuscripts. So manuscripts helpful to the Europe as about the problems regarded to the two sects from the Christianity, likely to the Catholic and the Protestant. So Protestant Reformation take place with the help of the spread of scientific revolution as well as the metal development about 1800 to the 1450 to 1550, a spread of the printing technology in Europe take place. So European society will be criticized about the printing technology with the help of the printing press as well as the manuscripts, and those led to the different type of the problems. Some about the scholars from Europe like Martin Luther trying to lead about the problem related to the Catholic and Protestant through the Protestant Reformation with the help of 95 theses will be translated over the Europe, and those will be reached to the different type of the orthodox thinkers. After that, the criticize will be take place over the Europe and print revolution come out. Print revolution represent about the matter to the transformation of the printing from handmade or the manuscript to the machine-made publishing with the help of the new innovation as printing press by John Gutenberg from Germany. Now something about the impact of the print revolution also discussed as about the chapter like the social transformation take place in Europe. Social transformation from Europe take place over the Europe as about the social change. Through the removal of the social problem as about the social evils, and something about the illiteracy related problem also solved by the print culture through the readers as about the listeners. So something about the impact of the social problem will be solved with the help of the print culture, as about the cultural problem likely to the civilization and the culture, as about the tradition, customs, folkways and others problem from the Europe, as about the laws as well as the descent and concern to the despotism and traditional thinking will be solved with the help of the print culture. As about the religious problem likely to the Catholic and Protestant also became solved through the debate and discussion with the help of the written text and related paintings. Something about the liberty and the happiness concerned to the work also carried out by the different novelists, different writers of the biography, autobiography, drama, poetry, prose and different type of the other scribers who wrote something about the change in Europe. A new reading public will be emerged with the help of the ballad and the folk tales by the religious authorities, monarch, social thinker and artist as well as the writers from the Europe before 17th and 18th century. Fear of the effects of the printing also come out with the help of the Martin Luther King, who trying to overcome about the problem of Italy as well as the England and Europe related to the Catholic and the Protestant thinking. So that Martin Luther led to the 95 theses from 1577 CE as about the 16th century and developed the 5,000 copies were sold with a few weeks Those will be reaches to the general people or the mass people from the Europe and European people. Some about the favor and most of the criticize to the related written materials. Something about to criticize the rituals and the practices will be overcome by the printing scripts. Printing is the ultimate gift of the land, gift of the God, and the greatest one given as a slogan by the Martin Luther King. As about the anti-Catholic Christianity will be developed with the help of the Martin Luther King and other social reformers from Europe. Now, print related to the obeying also spread over the Europe, and something about the descent or the disobey of the print and printing technology also come out over the Europe. Now, the reading mania will be developed with the help of the chapbook as pocket book, low priced book from the France like Bibliothèque Bleue as one of the cheapest and best selling book from the France will be developed as chapbook. Periodicals and the others current affairs also develop as a scientist, philosopher, thinkers, etc. Sebastian Mercer also proclaimed about the matter in 18th century as the printing press is the most powerful engine of the progress and the public opinion, so that the print culture and the French Revolution related inspiration also discuss as about the chapter. Accordingly, French Revolution related to the despotism will be reduced with the help of the print culture. Something about the superstition, adverse customary traditions and the division of the society and inequality related problem also highlighted by the print culture. As about the length of this chapter, it is clear that next to the unit as to the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 9th will be discussed to the next stage. Today, I clarify about the matter as concern of the print culture and the modern world related to the contemporary world. Here the development of the print culture with their significance. Something about the question related to the topics like the evolution of the print culture, development of the manuscript, calligraphy, scribe and scriber, and something about the improvement of the manuscript as a Cordon book, as well as the Diamond Sutra from China, transformation from the China to the England with the help of the Silk Route, and contribution of the Martin Luther King from Europe, as well as the Marco Polo, and something about the scriber and scribers related problems, as well as the Protestant Reformation and the French Revolution related ideas also given as about the unit 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you.